Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, I am going to show you the permanent as well as the contract based vacancies notifications from the two different government universities. And here for any graduation and only post graduation. Okay, so for these candidates here the vacancies I'm going to show you guys, and the salary is also as per the pay scale, so ranging from 25,000 rupees per month to 1 lakh rupees per month is there, and you may apply from any state guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects or requirement is not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notifications from the government universities. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so out of the two universities, it is the first government university. So it is a UGC recognized one, Pandit Deen Dayal Energy University, and you may check down. Here the different vacancies are there. So coming to the first vacancy is the call for assistant manager. So qualification is CA or ICWA, 1 to 3 years with educational institute or university experience they are asking. So that means it will be preferred. And the job profile is also given here. So auditing, financial accounting, costing and taxation, okay, all these things. And the interested candidates may apply. So the vacancy number is 153 on or before 16th Jan 2022. If you are interested to apply, then click on this button guys, okay. And the next one is a content writer. So write clear marketing content to promote the PDU brand, prepare well structured drafts and all these things. And the candidate should have the good communication skills and understanding of branding of educational institution. And here also you should apply on or before 16th Jan 2022. Educational qualification, preferably bachelor's or master's degree in journalism or literature, but degree holders in other fields also are also eligible. Fluency in English language plus basic computer skills must be there. Next one is a PR. So to participate in various brand building promotional activities, the interested candidates can apply on or before 16th Jan 2022. Educational qualifications, graduation or else a master's degree in public relations, journalism, communication or else any graduation. Fluency in Hindi, English, Gujarati languages, basic computer skills must be there. Next one is call for vacancy response team. So educational qualification, graduation in any field, fluency in Hindi, English, Gujarati language and basic computer skills must be there. You should apply on or before 16th Jan 2022. Fine. So these are the different vacancies are there guys. So from this university, so whatever the thing you are interested, then just click on this apply and then you will be directed to the online application form. You just fill up all these details very carefully, whatever the particulars they are asking. Okay. And coming to the next one is the Himachal Pradesh University guys. So from this one here we got the different recruitment notifications for the multiple departments. I mean actually non-teaching positions they are all. So closing date is 29 Jan 2022. And applications are invited from eligible and desirous candidates for the recruitment of the following post: category B, C and D on regular or contract or daily wages basis in Himachal Pradesh University, and the interested candidates may apply online through the online recruitment portal. Here the links are also given here in between 7th Jan 2022 to 29th Jan 2022. Fine. So you may check down here the librarian post is a regular one and assistant librarian HPU main library on regular basis. So the pay scales also you may check down guys. And next one is assistant librarian RC Dharmashala. So pay scale is provided on contract basis, and medical officer dental contract basis, medical officer allopathic contract basis. And I will show you the qualification guys, so please wait. And next one is assistant architect on contract basis. Next one is public relation officer and the system analyst and the computer programmer and law officer and assistant librarian, clerk and the junior office assistant, okay, and the junior office assistant in accounts and the language teacher and yeah, so data entry operator, and next one is junior engineer in civil electrical conductor junior basic trained teacher, and the next one is driver and auxiliary one, and the next one is peon and chowkidar, mali, baildar, mess helper, severman. So total of 29 different posts are there, but out of all these things, so we'll check out the qualifications. So for the librarian positions, so educational qualifications from 1 to 3 as per the UGC regulations, that means for the librarians. So medical officer, I think my subscribers are not related to medical. So assistant architecture, degree in architecture and at least 2 years of experience in the field of architecture. Public relation officer, bachelor's of journalism and mass communication, or bachelor's of public relation, or bachelor's of public relation and advertisement from recognized university, or else a PG degree or a diploma in journalism and mass communication, and 3 years of professional experience. And the system analyst, bachelor's degree in computer science or engineering, computer applications, information technology, or else a master's degree in physics, mathematics, economics, statistics, or else its equivalent, and PG diploma of at least 1 year duration in the computer application. Okay, or else MCA. Okay, or else B level course from the National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology. Next one is a computer programmer. So MCA or BU or BTech in Information Technology or Computer Science Engineering, or else a B level course from this one, and at least 6 years of experience. Fine. So the candidates who are having the MCA or BU or BTech, the experience is not required. Okay. And coming to the group C, sorry, category C, law officer. So professional degree in the law and at least 5 years of experience, and assistant librarian should be graduate in any discipline, and 1 year diploma certificate in the library science. And coming to the clerk, bachelor's degree in any discipline, so should have the minimum speed of 30 words per minute and in English, and 25 words per minute in Hindi typewriting on computer. Next, junior office assistant should have the 10+2. And coming to the next one, junior office assistant, so BCom with 50% of marks from recognized university, and candidates having MCom qualification must have passed BCom at the graduation level. And the language teacher, BA with Hindi as an elective and a 2 year diploma in elementary education, or else BA with at least 50% of marks. So few things are given here, so you may check down, guys. And MA in Hindi, and the data entry operator 10+2, and the diploma of at least 6 months in computer or equivalent from recognized university. And junior engineer civil, so 10+2 and regular diploma in civil, and junior engineer electrical, diploma or degree in the electrical engineering or electronics engineering from an institute recognized from the government university. So next one is conductor, 10+2, and the junior basic trained teacher, so 10+2. Fine. So these are all the things, guys, and few driver peon positions are there, so the interested candidates may check down. And anyhow, the last date I already told you, right? So and the application fee also you may check down. So 2012, 1200 and 1600. So based upon the caste categories, the applications will be, fee will be divided. Got it? So these are all the details, guys. So the interested candidates may fill up the online application form on or before the last date. And once again, please check the official website of this university to get the complete details. Got it? So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science, as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merit cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. and you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects, you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay. And while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So I may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want